Hi Mini Masters, this is Miss Katie, and I'm here to show you how to make some cloud Play-Doh that you can pretend that you are at the beach. So first what you need, and now definitely this is going to be messy, so you definitely need to have some help from mom or dad or grandma or grandpa. You need a big mixing bowl like this, nice clean one. You need some flour, and you need a measuring cup for 1 cup and a measuring cup for 1/4 cup. Then you need some baby oil or some vegetable oil. Then you need some smaller containers, like something like this. And then you need some food coloring. I chose blue because I'm going to make my cloud dough actually blue, so it's kind of like a fluffy ocean. But you can leave it white. You can add some brown paint or some cocoa powder to it to make it more brown so it looks like sand, but it's a little bit softer than sand. So what we do first is in our big bowl, we'll take, and I don't have a measuring cup, so I'm going to guess, but you definitely want to make sure that you get the right measurements here. So we gotta take 2 cups of flour, so that's about a cup. Put a cup in there, maybe a little bit more. So we've got about 2 cups, we'll put a little bit more in there. 2 cups of flour, and then 1/4 cup of baby oil. You can use baby oil, canola oil, vegetable oil, anything like that. This is about a 1/4 cup, maybe a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is first is I'm going to add it into a separate container, because then I'm going to color it with some food coloring. So I'm going to take some blue food coloring, and I'm going to drop it into my baby oil. Now the more you use, the better the color it's going to be. Now it's not really going to mix up too well, but that's okay. You can still break up the water or the modules. Because it's oil, it's not going to mix totally with it, but what I'm doing is I'm at least breaking up the little things so they can mix up a little bit better in here. So then you pour all that in here. And so now we mix it all together. And it's a really, really messy work. So you can see the blue getting all mixed in there. It takes a little while, but then you can finally see the blue coming out a little bit here. The easiest method would probably be to add some powdered paint to it and add that to the flour. But I see it worked just fine to add it to the oil as well. Even though you couldn't see it mixing totally, it still worked out to add it to the oil. And you can use liquid paint and add that to the oil as well. But you just keep mixing it all around until you get a nice consistency here. And see, it's a very soft dough that you can mold and make little things out of. So then what you can do is you can put little figurines in here, little ocean figurines. You can add some little jewels and things and dig through it like you're finding some treasure. So that is one of the many things that you can do with this stuff. This is called cloud Play-Doh. So you can make it any color you want. I just wanted to make it a nice pretty blue. So that's it. It's very simple and easy. It's a little messy, but that's okay. It's very fun and it's very soft and it smells really good too, especially if you use some baby oil. So there you go, Mini Masters. Have fun.